Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create a nail art design using this glow in the dark powder. And this will be a spring edition. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So this glow in the dark powder was sent to me by Brown Pretty Store and it is in the set of 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes are called gradient glow in the dark because we can create a gradient design using these 2 different powder. One is white, another one is blue. There are 2 more shades, one is purple, another one is pink. The purple one changed to dark blue in the dark and the pink one changed to green. So the link of the product will be in the description box, so if you guys are interested then you can check it out. And this glow in the dark powder retails for $1.99. So I'm going to create a gradient using this 2 powder. For that I'm first applying some clear polish on my nails to make it wet for the powder to stick, and then I'm applying the powder. I wanted the blue powder to be at the bottom and the white at the top. Now first I tried to dip my nails into the blue powder for the powder to stick, but the box was kind of small in size so my nails couldn't dip in, so I'm using the fan brush to stick those powder onto my nail. Now while you're doing this method, make sure you do it quickly because once the clear polish dries, then the powder will not stick. And that's what happened in my case, that is the white powder didn't stick properly because I wasted so much of time in doing the blue one. Now if you're not satisfied with how it looks, you can repeat the steps 2, 3, 4 times as much as you want. Now if you want the colors to be sheer, then you can stop to 2 steps, that is 2 coats. But if you want it to be more opaque, then you must do at least 3 to 4 coats, and that's what I did. Now when you're applying those powder onto the wet nails, don't wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute and then dust off the extra powder with the fan brush. But for the clear polish to dry, you have to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes and then you can do the next coat. Now in the website it is mentioned to mix the powder with the clear polish and then use it. But if you mix any kind of powder with the clear polish or any kind of nail polish, then the nail polish dries faster and it won't give that smooth finish. So I will recommend not to follow this method, just follow the method which I am showing. But if you are using a gel top coat, then that's a total different thing because we all know gel doesn't dry until or unless we put it under a UV or LED lamp. So for gel that's different, but if you're using nail polish, then don't follow this method, follow the method which I'm showing. Now I'm going to show the method again and then I will do the rest part off camera and then I will show the next step.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been.
And also while doing this method, make sure you notice at the side of your nails because when you are doing this method, you are only focusing at the top and you forget about the side and it will end up into some places where you forget to apply it. So it's better you check the sides and apply it because you have to do 3 to 4 coats and if you miss any spot, it won't look good. So make sure you check it. Now once I'm done with all my nails, I'm using the Wet n Wild holographic top coat on all my nails and will let it dry. Now once the top coat dry, using a black fabric paint, I'm creating some flowers, some leaves and branches on my middle finger. Now, as I already mentioned, this will be a spring edition. That's the only reason I'm making some flowers and those leaves. And this is very simple type of flower, so it is not so hard. Anybody can do it. Now, if you want, you can do any other kind of design, like you can create some leaves or some coconut plant or a couple design or heart, anything you wish. And I'm going to do the same thing on my ring finger. And later, using some white fabric paint, I decorate the design, like I put some white at the middle of the flower and over the branches and like that. And on my index and pinky finger, I didn't do anything, I just leave it just like that. And finally, add the top coat to seal the design, and now let's see how it looks in the dark. Now the glow which you guys are seeing is not the same as what actually it looks like. I don't know why it's looking like this, maybe because of my camera it's looking like this, but really it's glowing a lot. And also the white portion is kind of a teal color, that is a greenish blue color, not like light blue which you guys are seeing. Anyway, so that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you check out the description box for the link of the product, and also don't forget to use my code PKAL91 to get a 10% off on all the products you buy from Brown Prairie store. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.